Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you and give you some information and some tips about how to get Temu referrals. Want to know how to get more Temu referrals and earn rewards? Here's a step-by-step guide. The first step is to locate your referral link. And to do that, just open the Temu app or website depending on which device you're using and go to Refer and Earn section. Just click. If you haven't downloaded the app already, you can download it via Play Store or App Store if you're using iPhone, or access the Temu website in case you're using your computer. Just like this, I open the app. After that, you're gonna go to the Refer and Earn section here. And copy your unique, and now the refer section will be available after you sign in and register with your account. So make sure you sign in using your account's credentials. You can sign in using your Google account or another account. After that, after signing in, copy your unique referral link or invite code from this page and share your link with friends and family via social media, messaging apps or emails, and Temu makes it easy with one-click sharing option. The third step is to explain the benefits. Let your friends know what they'll get by signing using your link, whether it's discounts, credits, or exclusive offers. And for the fourth and final thing is to track your referrals. Use the referral dashboard in your account, which will be displayed after you log in with your account. How many people have signed up and made purchases using your link? For additional tips, make sure you share your referral link during sales or promotions to increase sign-ups, and write a short message or post about your favorite Temu products to encourage others to try the platform. And also remind your audience that they need to complete their first purchase for you both to earn rewards. And that's it. These were some informations and some tips about how to get Temu referrals. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.